Today I have a fob key and it is broken. The cap to it came off somehow and I'm going to fix it today. So what I'm going to do to fix this is I'm just going to see both pieces and then clear off any debris that will prevent the contact from happening, which I did. If there's some dust in there, perhaps you can blow it off. Inside there's copper wiring, and that is the signal that gets sent to the door when it gets open. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to put this back on. For some reason it came off and it will not come back on. I'd look to see if it were a screw top, but it is not. It is some sort of snapping mechanism that has come apart. Now, as you can see, I'm going to try to screw it back on, and it does not work that way. So what I have come up with is taking some glue. This is Superglue. I'm going to open the cap up. I believe it's some sort of safety seal to keep me from getting in, but I'm just going to peel that back. Get inside a little bit. Just pull back the safety cap. I believe it's somewhere along here. I have to find it. And then rip it back. The piece of plastic is being kind of stubborn. So we're going to take the safety plastic and then pull this back, and then I'll be able to get into the cap. A little bit closer. Here it goes. Alright, so you get the plastic and pull this back for the glue. Looks like this is more of an issue than I thought, but I'm going to get inside. So get the safety cap after I peel back the plastic, and then twist open the top, and then there's a safety latch right here. I'm just going to twist this off, and so now I can start to smell the glue. It's been exposed, and I'm going to try to take a few drops and put it along the edge of the fob key, and doing so will allow me to get a perfect seal on the fob. And I'm not going to sit this on top of right here. I'm actually going to get it on this part of the cap right here, not on the actual fob key itself, but right here. So I'm going to squeeze a little bit of it out. So let me get a little bit closer so you can see this. All right, see, a little bit's coming out. It's like a bubble. And I'm just going to try to get around. It's coming out slow. Doesn't seem like it wants to come out a little bit, but I'm going to be working with a little bit of the bubble thing. Any little bit will help in this situation right here that I'm trying to get the fob key on. So like getting like a little bubble stuff and just try to get all around the cap. And alright, so some s'mores coming out. And so what's going to happen is once I get it all around this cap, I'm going to set it on top, and then I'm going to let it sit for about an hour or so it can dry. It's going to get all this. Doesn't seem to be coming out. Is this bottle empty or not? Alright. Getting a little bit coming out. It's a little sticky. Alright. Get a little bit closer so you can see a little bit. Feels like I'm working with bubbles and not actual super glue. There's another bubble right there. Oh, so some is starting to come out. You see the tip? Gotta get some on the tip. It's starting to come out. Alright, some's on the tip. And so what I'm going to do is, if I can get just a little bit out, I'm going to put some on the edge, and then I can spin the cap around once I get it on, and that should disperse or spread the super glue around it enough. Alright, so I'm going to work with that, what I have right here. Get a little bit more right there. Right on the tip. Right. See if I can get another squirt to work with. Alright, got some out there. So now I'm going to set this on top like that. Going to set it on top. And then I'm going to spin it a little bit to get some of the glue. Doesn't act like it wants to spin it all. Well, I guess that's good enough, I guess. Didn't want to spin. Maybe I got enough on. Alright, that's how you fix the fob key with Superglue. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.